maraming natutunan.
Be gracious to you, Lord, turn his face toward you and give you peace. Amen.
May mga problema kang pinagdadaanan, hindi kailan tayo sinabi niya, stop! Ano sabi niya? Stop!
Boss naman. Masiram? Okay.
Dito muna sa unahan yung naka-memorize.
Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon.
Hello!
Kristiyano, ang kambuhay kan sarong Kristiyano.
Be upon you and a thousand. My name is Chloe, 10 years old. The children, may His favor be upon you and a thousand generations. God bless you. Your children, their children, their children, may His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you. He is with you in the morning. I'm so blessed by your support. You're calling and you're going. You pray and rejoicing. He is for you. 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 Yes.
My name is Aubrey. Hello! Hi! I'm Clarence! Bata.
Hi, I'm Joshua.
Hi! My name is Jamaica. Hello! Thank you po.
Mapakawat po si Ate Aubrey. Ate Aubrey.
Thank you!
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you po.